Problem 25, we've got y equals 1/2 x, and x plus 3y equals 25, and we're trying to solve for this system of equations by substitution. So here's a trick you can do with a problem like this to get rid of the fraction right off the bat. If I don't like 1/2 x, what I can do is just multiply both sides of this equation by 2. So I would get 2y on the left, and then here if I multiply 2 times 1/2 x, well, these undo each other, and now I just have 2y equals x, and so I can use that to substitute now. I can just say, okay, well, I know what x is 2y, so I can rewrite this equation as 2y plus 3y equals 25. Simplify and get 5y equals 25. Divide both sides by 5, and we get y equals 5. The next problem, 26, is a little bit different, a little bit more difficult. Here, we can't just get rid of the fraction right off the bat, and so I think the best thing to do is to just go ahead and substitute. I know what a equals 3/5 b, so I'm just going to plug that right in there. So I'll have 10 times 3/5 b, I'll put them in parentheses just to hopefully make it a little bit clearer, plus 3b equals 6. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and simplify this. Like 10 times 3 is 30, divided by 5 is 6. So I end up with 6b. Not so bad, after all. And then I'm going to go ahead and combine these. 6b and 3b will be 9b. Now my answer is going to be a fraction, looks like. I'm going to get 9b equals 6, divide both sides by 9. So what I end up with is b equals 6 over 9, which reduces to 2 over 3. I need to solve for, oh, I forgot, you know what? I did not do what I'm supposed to do for this problem here, is you're always supposed to write the answer as an ordered pair. I solved for y and then I stopped. Oh goodness, that was bad. Let's finish this problem up here. So after I solve for y, I can't believe I did that. You take 5, put it back in here. So 2 times 5 is 10, and that means x equals 10. And so the answer, which we should always write as an ordered pair, I'm sure I told you that, is 10, 5. Whew. Okay, there's the answer for 25. Not just y equals 5, you need to still solve for x. Okay, so now we're going to do that step for this one, right? I know what b is. I'm going to plug it in here. So a equals 3/5 times b, but I know b is 2/3, right? And so I multiply those together, and notice these 3's will undo each other, and so what I'll be left with for a is just 2 over 5. And then again, we should always write our solution as an ordered pair. In this case, both of them will be fractions, both the x and y. That's okay, as long as the answer is right. And there's number 26.